Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can disable Nagle's algorithm on Windows. Nagle's algorithm is a networking feature that helps optimize TCP or IP traffic by reducing the number of small packets sent over the network. However, it can cause latency issues, especially in online gaming, VoIP or streaming. Disabling it can improve responsiveness, so this is how you can do it. First, you can open the Windows Registry Editor. You can press Windows plus R on your keyboard and then just type regedit, hit on enter and click yes. And in here, you can just locate your network's adapters registry key. You can just navigate to the uh, and in here you will see multiple subkeys, long alphanumeric names. This one, so you can click on each key and check the DSCPL address or IP address entry to find one matching your current network IP. You can just click on all of this and find one. And after that, after you locate or once you find the correct key, you can just right click in the right pane and this one, for example, right click and tap on new, and in here choose the word 32-bit value. And after that, you can name the new value like this: TC pack frequency. You can just double click on it and set the value data to 1 and tap on OK. And after that, you can create another dword 32-bit value and now name it as this: TCP no delay. Click on OK, double click and now set the value to 1 and click on OK. So meaning of this value is send packets immediately instead of waiting on the frequency, and the no delay is disable packet buffering, reducing latency. And after that, you can just restart your PC once you've made the changes. And after that, your settings will be applied. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.